Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Audi A4 B8 2 liters TDI. The fuel filter on this car is located underneath the car behind this plastic cover. First we need to remove this cover. These are all the plastic nuts that we need to remove. Now that all the covers are removed, we have access to the fuel filter. The fuel filter is located right there next to the electrical fuel pump. First we need to remove this metal plate that holds the fuel filter and the fuel pump. It's held by two nuts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So that's the fuel pump right there, and that's the fuel filter. We're going to be replacing the fuel filter. First we're going to remove the fuel lines from the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter removed. Next we're going to put on the new fuel filter. And assemble everything in the reverse order. After we assemble everything, we can go into the car and we need to prime the fuel system. In my case, I'm going to be using a scan tool to prime the fuel system. I'm going to be using VCDS. In output tests, there is a function for the fuel pump relay, which I'm going to start, and this way the electrical fuel pump will prime the fuel system. If you're priming the fuel system with the scan tool, you should prime it for about a minute and a half, and then the car will be ready to start. Okay, we're finished priming the system. Now we can start the car. And that's the car started. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.